severe thunderstorm watch number 450, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, Perry, and Spencer, and the following counties in Kentucky, Davis, Hancock, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent,
Severe thunderstorm watch, man. Severe thunderstorm watch for my area. Severe thunderstorm watch number 590.
later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 450 has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties in Indiana, Perry, and Spencer, and the following counties in Kentucky, Davis, Hancock, and Ohio. The current time is 12:47 p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 450, effective until 6 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, Perry, and Spencer, and the following counties in Kentucky, Davis, Hancock, and Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development.
Holy crap.